Stay tuned to see how I got this beautiful flat twist out. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to the 9th video in my Valentine's Day series. I am going to be trying TGIN's new Miracle Repair leave-in conditioner and gel. Stay tuned. So for styling, I am doing flat twist out. I am working in medium-sized sections, and I am going in first with my new TGIN Miracle Repair Protective Leave-In Conditioner. This leave-in conditioner is made with black honey and coconut oil. It is an intense moisturizing leave-in conditioner that helps reduce breakage, prevents split ends, and repairs hair damage. So this is my first time using this leave-in conditioner, and my first thoughts are that the leave-in conditioner is very moisturizing, has a nice amount of slip, and it definitely got my curls popping. I can already tell that this is going to be a great base for my style. Next up, I'm going in with the new Miracle Repair Mirror Curl Styling Gel, which is made with black castor oil and biotin. It is a firm hold styling gel that helps reduce breakage and strengthens the hair. Now, my first thoughts on this gel is that the slip is amazing and it definitely gets your curls popping. So this is my first time trying these products from TGIN, and so far I am definitely loving them. This is actually my first time trying any products from the Miracle RX line. Absolutely love TGIN products. I love the Rosewater collection and the original collection. So this is my first time trying the Miracle RX collection. Definitely going to have to get the rest of this line. So again, I'm doing a flat twist out in medium sections. I'm going in first with the leave-in conditioner and then applying the gel. And I'm going to be repeating these same steps throughout the rest of my hair. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite product or product line is from TGIN. I've definitely been loving the new Rosewater collection, but this Moisture RX collection definitely has me intrigued. So now that my hair is completely twisted, I am going to sit under my hooded dryer for about 20 to 30 minutes and then let the rest air dry. So here we are with dry twist, ready for the takedown. So I added a little bit of oil to my hair just to eliminate any unnecessary and unwanted frizz before I go in for the takedown. And as you can see, definition is on point, and this gel definitely has amazing hold. So my twists are moisturized, they are defined, and they have a nice amount of hold. Can't wait for the final results. So now that my twists are all taken down, I'm going to go in with my pick just to make sure that I eliminate any parts that were created when I was doing my flat twist, and also to fluff out my hair just a bit. And here are my final results. Definitely loving this combo. You will be seeing more of it. I'm definitely going to try it with a wash and go. Definitely recommend these two products, the new Miracle RX leave-in conditioner and gel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you've enjoyed it and the rest of the videos in my Valentine's Day series. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.